Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Naughty Rice. This is my second episode of Chinese milk curd. A few weeks ago, I shared with you a traditional Beijing milk curd made from rice wine. Now this week, I'm sharing with you a milk pudding from south part of China that is super yummy, the ginger milk curd or ginger milk pudding. It tastes just so silky and you can feel the light heat from the ginger, just fantastic. What's more, there are very few ingredients in this recipe. We only need ginger, milk and sugar. Let's get started. First, we must get some fresh ginger juice. So, grate the ginger. You can also use the garlic presser. Then use a cheesecloth and juice the ginger. So from my 70-gram ginger, I get about 50 grams of ginger juice. For 1 cup of ginger pudding, it is totally enough. And one thing very important, we must use fresh ginger juice because the enzyme in ginger juice, just like apple, will soon be dioxide when exposed to the air and lost their activity. However, you can add some vitamin C into it and keep it in the refrigerator. Then it will still work tomorrow. Alright, let's go back to our ginger milk pudding. For 200 grams of milk, we need 20 grams of ginger juice. So at a ratio of 10 to 1. Then I set my thermostat to 60 degrees Celsius and put the mixture into it for about 30 minutes. I know most of you don't have such a funny thermostat. Don't worry, I will tell you the common method later. Now time is up. Let's take out the mixture and see whether it's really pudding now. An interesting way to test if the pudding is set or not is to gently drop a spoon on the surface of the pudding. The spoon doesn't sink. Clearly, it has solidified. There are some enzymes in ginger which curdles milk, and the best temperature for them to work is at around 60 degrees Celsius. However, in ancient China, of course, people don't have thermostat, so the traditional way is to heat the milk to about 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, so that after it mixed with the ginger juice, the whole temperature will drop down to around 60 degrees Celsius. The temperature can't be too hot, otherwise the enzyme gonna be denatured, and it shouldn't be too cold. All the enzymes aren't going to be active enough. So after it reaches 75 degrees Celsius, we hold it high in the air and pour it into the ginger juice so that it will mix better. Then cover it with the lid and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check it. Look how soft the pudding is. So much for today, and see you soon. See you next time.